Welcome. My name is Thomas LEDFORD, aka Taxman88, and I currently work in the tax preparation arena. I do income taxes. I got a coaching program that's designed to help people looking to start their own tax preparation business get started. I have my own products and services that I promote through my platform that helps me generate income on a regular basis. Always been interested in making passive income. I've always been interested in affiliate marketing, where I promote other people's products and services and make a commission. So my marketing strategy is about laser targeted people who looking to do what I'm doing. So if you're looking to do affiliate marketing, where you're looking to learn how to successfully promote other people's products and services, then this message is talking to you. And so Partner with Anthony is a great way to get started if you're new, because this person here is successful. He's been in this industry for 15 years. He has his own program, generates significant income, life changing income, and he definitely has the knowledge and skills to help you to get started correctly on the right path. Because there's so many people out here online selling similar products on how to become an affiliate marketer where they just not giving you the right information. And so take it from me, use your own discretion. I'm already logged into the system. This is how the inside look of Partner with Anthony. It's a low cost getting started way to start generating income by getting the knowledge and mindset right first. That's going to lead you down the path to eventually be successful. And so, like I say, each session here has modules under it, and it takes 24 hours for you to do the next session. So what I normally do is I hit market session complete, which opens up the uh, window on the 24 hours for the next session start. So if I hit mark this session complete and it's already 12:50, then the same time tomorrow, session two will open up. I click on session two, hit mark session complete, which opens up the window and clock for session three to open up. And so that's how I've been doing it. And then while I'm doing that, I'm still watching the modules and the trainings that's under each session. So this is a great way to get started. When it comes to the basic tools you're gonna need, here they go right here. Build redirects is basically a tracking link system. ClickFunnels is a funnel page builder. He has all the funnels already created that you can get for free, but you got to have ClickFunnels to do it. And GetResponse is the email autoresponder that we collect our leads from. So those are the basic three tools you need to get started. And from there, as you go through the training, he'll expose you to more things that can help you generate more income. But these are the basic three tools you need to get started. And so if you're looking to uh, be successful in the affiliate marketing arena and you want to connect with someone who has the skills, the knowledge, the success already to point you down the right path to success, the Partner with Anthony program will be a great way to get started. And inside my emails and my videos, I'll leave my contact information for you so you can reach out to me and you can talk to me. You can ask me any questions or concerns you may have. And so we can build a relationship and a rapport with one another and maybe be a good fit for working with one another in this industry where we both out here trying to successfully generate affiliate marketing income and change our lifestyle from a standpoint of stop trading so much time for money. Right now, I trade a whole lot of time for money, even though it's great money. I'm getting to the point where I'm tired of trading time for money. And so being able to generate passive income, setting up systems with tools and resources that's going to allow you to automate the process. All we have to do is promote it with traffic, quality traffic, targeted traffic that's going to eventually start to bring in sales and commissions. Is the big picture goal. So like I said, this Partner with Anthony review is for people who looking to get started in affiliate marketing and you want to connect with someone who's already successful, who already got the training and the knowledge already laid out for you and allow you to get started at a very low price of $7 a month. And so, like I said, if you have any questions concerning Partner with Anthony, reach out to me and I'll do my best to answer those questions and concerns. And I definitely see you in my next video.